Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk to you about selling Tesla after the earnings, and I apologize for being this dark. It's because it's very late and I got completely sick, but I still wanted to make a video. It sucks, I actually have COVID for the second time, but anyways, I hope it will be over soon. So as always, if you like this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button that is down there. And if you want to go further, check out the first link in the description box below, which takes you to the Patreon of this channel. In that case, you would be supporting the channel, get direct access to me, and you would be helping this European out through the energy crisis that is hitting Europe. But Europe is not the only one being in a crisis, because Tesla is in a crisis after its earnings. The stock price totally hammered. It's almost 7% down, and we are very close to a key support level on the stock. You can see that we have a support line here around 200 and around a little over $200. If we go below, then we will probably go back down close to these levels, 155. So because I'm a little bit sick and I'm tired, and I'm sure that you have watched so many other guys talk about the numbers of Tesla, so I just want to skip to the main part of this video, and that is, I don't understand what people are thinking, and I have no effing clue who the heck would be selling Tesla, especially after this report. I don't know what you get. Please comment below if you saw anything negative in the report, and if so, what was it? I mean, I have seen that some people complained about that the margin was the same as in Q2 when Shanghai was closed down, and how can that be? And the margin is, might I remind you, still industry leading. It was like 27.9% gross margin. And seriously, are you going to buy Tesla or sell Tesla because they didn't make 28.5% like the analysts wanted, and you know that this quarter it was a percent higher or lower? I myself am a very lazy investor, and I want to buy companies that I really understand and I really believe in, and that I want to hold for the next 10 plus years. And all I want to do is come to the earnings calls and make sure that they're tracking on and they're executing on the big picture plan of the company. And if they're miss a little bit here and there, I honestly don't care, as long as there is no thesis breakers, right? So actually, there was one potential thesis breaker for Tesla, which I pointed out in a lot of earlier videos, and that was that demand for the first time seriously came into question. And the truth is that they address this, and they address this in multiple ways, and I'm 100% sure that there is zero demand problems. But Wall Street seems to think that there is demand problems, and they're selling the stock. Because here's the thing, if you put it in your analysis that Tesla demand is going to shrink, the stock is crazy overvalued. If you put it in your Excel sheet that Tesla is going to grow and sell any car that they will sell in the foreseeable future, which is what Musk and the team reiterated in this call, then the stock is way undervalued. So the question is, who's going to be right? And the reason why I'm very confident that they're not bluffing about this one is because they're talking about share buybacks. And the only reason why you would be even thinking about share buybacks is because things are going so good that you don't know what to do with the money. And this was the second thing that I don't understand, is that when you look at the free cash flow that Tesla is creating, they had before CapEx almost $5 billion in free cash flow, and after spending on all the research on the Tesla bot, the autopilot, the Gigafactory, $3.2 billion. Now, I'm a bit sick, so I might be messing up the numbers a little bit. You can correct me in the comments, but it's in this magnitude. So after the CapEx, they still had $3.2 billion of cash, and they reached $21 billion in cash. And that is a whole boatload, lot of cash. And the truth is that Tesla is able to create a gigafactory or buy a gigafactory every quarter from their free cash flow, which is insane. So I believe that they really are getting into this territory that they are having a money problem, and that is they don't know what to do with their money. So Again, I don't know who's selling Tesla, but I'm very happy that they're doing because it means that us smart investors have basically an early Christmas discount. I just wish I had more money that I could invest, and I actually have a very nice deal possibility going, so I might get more money to invest, and I would love the stock to be in this range and even lower so that I can buy in. But I don't know how this quarterly report could be interpreted in any way, shape, or form as bad. And all I saw was a team executing fantastically as per plan, and a really winning team. Yeah, really winning and earning a lot of money and having a very high morale and having a lot of fun. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't see videos from me in the next coming days, it's because I'm sick and in bed, but I hope that's not going to happen. And I'll see you when I see you. Make sure you subscribe and have a nice time.